I don't like to have bags and a whole bunch of stuff on me. So probably my notes and everything will go in here, and my pen and my phone, and I can just have it on the floor under my chair, and it's not by my feet and in the way. So you always want to pack in a clutch. Also, if you decide that there is a dinner invitation, you never know where you get invited to, or you might think, oh, there's a beautiful restaurant, we have time tomorrow night, let's go do that. You take your one backup blouse or your top or your pretty thing, some of those heels, or some flats, and you take your clutch, your bling, and a dash of gold on the lips, and you're good to go. So my toiletries are all packed. They're in the main bag. I have got this. You'll see notes below this picture. It's called Wild Jude. It's a microfiber, only water, and that's how I take off my makeup. And get yourself one of these, okay? There's self-adhesive magnifying mirrors. I don't know about you, but I cannot put my makeup on with my specs on. So every hotel, every travel trip, every trip I go on, I take this to the hotel or the guest or wherever I'm going. It goes on the mirror in the bathroom, and I can actually see what I'm doing. See, it's super magnified, and then you don't have to worry about trying to put your makeup on or your lashes on through your glasses in a bathroom that has got a faraway mirror and no lighting. That's most of it. For the rest of it, how you pack is up to you. Some people like packing cubes. I don't. I tried it for a full year. It's not for me. It takes more time and energy, and it just doesn't work for me. But if packing cubes work for you, bonus. I flat pack and I roll. So remember, you've got all kinds of bras and nooks and crannies where you can put socks and underwear and all kinds of little things into. I flat pack all the main stuff, and then the stuff that is softer, that is not going to be damaged by rolling, I roll that up and I line. You've got like 3 or 4 layers around the 4 sides of your suitcase that you can roll things. So I flat pack and I roll as I go, and kind of almost gives you a little bit of cheat extra space. Rather than just flat packing, you flat pack and then there's a little bit left on the side. I roll and I put it all around the 4 sides of the suitcase. And that is pretty much it. But what makes my packing and my travel and my mixing and matching simple is what is in my closet. It's not the packing process itself.